Right. Killia, no majeran let the heart. Kate. Right, so Ceacht fits the quick. Louise uses a protractor to measure two of the angles A and B. Right, Ace to the hall. The protractor measures angles to the nearest degree. Louise obtains the following measurements. A sharp mo 8 degrees. Agus B 3 degrees. So Racey had drawn the side A which is opposite to the angle A is determined accurately to be 14.37 centimeters. Now give the tolerance interval for the true value of C, the third angle of the triangle. Okay, so Racey tashmid la part of the hinachin agus screaming she's a tolerance. So mahashmid la A, the shin cosmos sharp mo 8 degrees plus minus gj 1 degree. So Racey led the shin so shin 0. Plus or minus 0.5 degrees. So shin A. When you B and shin, do you togin? So Racey B equal cosmos 3 degrees plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Because there's a correct to the nearest degree, so let us in 0.5. Now, it is test good. J test good for the sum of all triangles. 180. So test good the third angle. So testing equals C equal to cosmos 180 minus 78 degrees plus or minus 0.5 degrees. 0.5 degrees minus 36 degrees plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Okay, so kite and vertical shin the one ma. So raise to much back and shin la C cosmla. Then you be chaska shade degrees. My here you have it. Plus or minus 1 degrees. Okay, so shin the head part in Ceacht. Now, so raised gin interval. So your tolerance in interval la is gj shaska quick degrees gj shaska sharp degrees. Okay, so he gets in hoist that shaska quick gj shaska sharp degrees. That's your tolerance interval. Just in instructions in front of him. Right. Etrif, E-R-T-R-A-M-H. T-R-A-M-H. Skriv man känna en gillik. E-R-T-R-A-M-H. Etrif. Okay, right, part of the dog, calculate the greatest possible value of C, the side opposite C. So race test going, kind of you side. Then you be the sine rule, kite and sine rule is such. So every dog goes at real sine G test going rush. So race Kermit C, cosmos shaska sharp degrees, because we should know going plus the greatest possible values today for kite for an L and a small. So thence we take the tolerance of 67 degrees. Agus A cosmos is slew kite A v slew. So kite v 77.5 degrees. Okay, so reach the sine rule you to C is going sine C, cosmos A is going sine A. Agus just lean with sha the formulas in the chan. So you to C is going sine shaska sharp degrees, cosmos A, size V big, 14.37 is going sine sharp punch quick degrees. Okay, so to C cosmos sine shaska sharp degrees, maybe if I carry J punch 3 is sharp, it's going sine sharp punch quick degrees. C cosmos, janty then you be 13.43. You think?
Yeah, I did, yes.
14.13 or 4? Good thing I should say calculator. Because switchers she intends to get the largest possible value of C, so therefore chi C is most chi A is slew. Then you be?
0.2.
No, what in radians or degrees?
Degrees.
Right, that should work. It's not 0 point. Should be 13.55. 13.55. Okay, so chi C with 13.55 kg. Correct to 2 decimal places per centimeters. What you doing? Centimeters. So chi C with 13.55 centimeters. Now, because you're here now, then can join the for the least possible value C chi to holabala. Ella. So reached you could say the sign rule reached. Real sign. Task go C and escola ve cosmona gj. Shaska. Quick degrees agus kai AV. Sharp mo art punch quick degrees. And then just lean in the so you to see this can sign Shaska quick degrees. Cosmona carjig punch 3 sharp. This can sign sharp mo art punch quick degrees. So C cosmona carjig punch 3 sharp sign Shaska quick degrees. This can sign sharp mo art punch quick degrees. C cosmona agus coordination sharp calculator. Correct to 2 decimal places. There's chat on your rich. I take it you to 13 point rodnert. 29. My you really. Centimeters. Right. I guess you can catch piece quick. Right. Head partial and estimate go look at na estimation of very large and very small numbers. Now in the text law. Now the controversy going if the kesha agusinity niakama or pepper screw the here a lear more brilliantly because niacha kate when get crane into text law. Now mark this into text law an order of magnitude estimate of a number. Now rather the ancient for very large numbers we crude way of getting an estimate is to consider order of magnitude. So for example, to move 1 million August to 10 to the power of 6.
So if it's never on the...
That's which is large.
If it's never on the paper,
There's still a recursive, but
it's never
but Bylum rod cart 30, so my he in the halash at least to rod cart right? Now, an order of magnitude estimate of a number is the number rounded to the nearest power of 10. Okay, so this involves writing the number in scientific notation in the form a by 10 to the power of n, where a is between 1 and 10. Now, I go 1 and 10, yes, and cat. Okay, so at I shin, G, schema wasn't shot that. Now, behorkum a at the 1 over square root 10. Ni slew na a, ni slew na square root j. Shouldn't do heart. Shouldn't write cart a heart of it.
Yeah.
Because the order of magnitude would be had at 3 point. So really rather than would be had at 3 point you county canalilas. I guess chapter in this because now hash with engine Yorkshire a couple of years behind we go we debate more because when the frigrid we direct in the frigrid league contract you could your. So then there are much rubber researchers Jahan because they actually stage them Ceacht the mistakes of yours not from 1 to 10. Now I think you rather run your department it's just to round it off to 1 to 10 just for handiness. A at the Henigus J Levy Forest, but that means your order magnitude is legal of contract because rather be had at 3.162 you have to add another order of magnitude. Whereas in Shaw ruddy be as you got a quick. Ruddy be had a quick current it canlas. So the gap in shin at the 3.162, which is square root of 10, I get quick, where you're missing the order of magnitude. So we reached shin rod Ceacht. So just like wall a second. So ruddy into shin. Every B, for example. So just note the shot. Every B. Ni små na square root j, so 3.162. Okay, every b ni små na square root j, so 3.162. Kurt summy here lesh an order the magnitude. Alright, so summy here lesh an order. I can take that 10 shekel and shen by we said log 10 done ever sin. We shouldn't do log of 10, natural log of 10 of Brescia montage. Okay? Right.
Just,
Oh, you'll add 1 to the order of magnitude. So mark this a sample of the Heenishin and the text load. Right? Lehana Kate ni Ceacht. Now, an Olympic sized swimming pool has the length of 50 meters, a width of 30 meters, and an average depth of 3 meters. It is proposed to fill the pool from empty with a garden hose and can deliver water at a rate of 1 gallon every 6 seconds. Using order of magnitude estimates, obtain a rough estimate of how long it would take the hose to fill the pool. Now, it is hours, days, weeks, months, or years. So note 1 gallon is 4.56456 litres.
Add 1 to the order of magnitude.
If the number is greater than 3.1. So nature he that's doing this current decimal place. Can do up into more decimal place. What I never needs, quick non needs, ni small, then currently can less chicken do. Whereas in order of magnitude, what is at 3.162 ni small, currently can less. Huh?
Is it the power?
For example, right? Can I scream as 50 meters as an order of magnitude? So to 50 meters, so smith your shin, kite shin screw either he nigus j, right? So raise 50 meters, shin 5 by 10 to the power of 1. Now your order of magnitude, because the shine is small net 3.162, so therefore currently canless in order of magnitude, so it's 10 to the power of 2. Right? Make it to 30 meters. So now right kernel at 3 by 10 to the power of 1. So reached your order of magnitude is 10 to the power of 1. Because there's only slew at 3.162. Okay? Questions take it. Now, we need to depth Abernest 3 meters, so just call it an sample. 3 meters is 3 by 10 to the power of 0. So reach your order of magnitude is 10 to the power of 0. Okay? Now, we have to heart the because 10 to the power of 0 is 1, 1 by 3 is 3. Smith here. 3 to 10 to the power of 0 is he made the for 3 ut to 3. And short 3 made the for j ut to 30, quick made the for j ut to 50. Okay? Now, Abernest go do much can deep. 32,790. Do you order magnitude to take shot? Just more sample. Yes, sir. Go for it. So reskriva 3.279 midi for j equal to j. Yes, sir. So contest the decimal place. The decimal place is 3 point. So they call hin dot 3 k. Okay, so it's 10 to the power of 4. Now, so j in order of magnitude. 10 to the power of 5. See, 10 to the power of 5. Because the Shawnee is more than 3.129. Or 162. Because the Shawnee is more than 3.162, then the order of magnitude is 10 to the power of 5. It breaks the rule of decimal place run to see the text up, but it's short die hardly in. Okay, right. We have sample one and then he gives us a couple of questions, right? So Abernethy grow 3,170 million. 3,170,000. Right. Order of magnitude. So Ceacht is 3.17 medifa J gwerth go J. So Ceacht to the goal 1.3 ceathair quick shays bias. So it's 10 to the power of 6. Order of magnitude 10 to the power of 6 because Niad Shaw, or 10 to the power of 7 because there's any small na. 10 to the power of 7. Okay, what should I give an ash? Yeah. So Kaitu and Keshti screw in order of magnitude. That values league range of this Keshti in order of magnitude, and then he got all. So Tashi just yin machine 3 quick shart agus or yin majahan Katikan. Heen Keher no yigas do yig. Just in heen Keher no yigas do yig. Let the hall. Okay? Heen Keher no yigas do. Huh? Isn't she this pre handy J?
No,
Oh, right. Upper that. Right. So make the blian you went 365 by Fisika, we are Pashaska Bomache, so Shin 10 to the power of 6. Now, Arpmo blian Ceacht in order of magnitude from your Arpmo blian 10 to the power of 2. Maybe for 10 to the power of 6, so you 2 10 to the power of 8. Bomache. Right, so Ceacht number of heartbeats per minute is 80. So sweet your number of heartbeats now shouldn't just the arm 10 to the power of 8 minutes in a human life. Right? Now Ceacht ever heartbeats. So to Arpmo heartbeat. To Arpmo heartbeat, so Ceacht order magnitude 10 to the power of 2. So Ceacht test good ever online heartbeats in Arpmo blian. Quadrat 10 to the power of 8. Maybe for 10 to the power of 2. So order magnitude 10 to the power of 10. So your order magnitude is 10. Oh, but that shouldn't just run the thought your order magnitude. Shouldn't I tell you? No, it's horrible, right? But anyway, can make over a level. Shouldn't he just get it covered? You know it. Move on. Niakama say area outside needs the pepper scooty.
Yeah, like
I fish on, just I cover it, move on. No, it's all get the journals and chapter shot. You know, Marnell in the HR, financial maths in the HR, rates of changing so then come to bread jazz. Right, come on.
we're not doing it. I told you in day.
Aye, quite a heen. So ordinary height of a human would be probably 1 point. What's the average height? 1.6 meters. 1.8 meters. No, 1.18. Tired. 1.6. 1.7. Aye. So quite a heen average that, but in order of magnitude, you can do Nash. So it'll be 10 to the power. So it each should whether it's 1.6 meters or 2 meters. In order of magnitude, so going to be more gear that you can do. So that's so then that chuck is just handy. Was it okay there to the lock west? Eh? Right, was you Ceacht Janta? Was you okay like Ceacht? Right. So was your quick order of magnitude when you kiss the Ceacht? Right. 180 billion. Okay, kiss you for the Ceacht. Ceacht how many in the bay? Right, a country has a national debt of 180 billion and a population of about 4 million. Obtain the order of magnitude estimate for the average amount owed by each citizen of the country. So 180 billion, 180 by 10 to the power of 9. Okay, so reach the order of magnitude. 180 10 to the power of 2. Maybe for 10 to the power of 9, so reach the 10 to the power of 11. Okay. Denry. Jane Denry. Get a million. So reached order magnitude. Sin Ceacht. Maybe if I jaguar to she. So reached your order magnitude is 10 to the power of 7. Because the short 10 to the power of 0, kite the canary less because it's greater than 3.162. So reached, it's 10 to the power of 7. Okay? So national debt is 10 to the power 11, around 10 to the power of 7. So reached is 10 to the power of 4. It's in the national debt. So hang quick. So the mistake, Jonathan, is the text origin. Change a quick cool in I think. Because this is it 1 to 10 and that's 3.162. Huh? But kind to order magnitude to such. So you heard it all get calculated and show a therapy. Do you get to? It's all done by 10 to the powers. Right, anyway. Sin kiss you Ceacht.
Yeah, look for English because
Kai because there's a Ceacht is greater than 3.162.
180 billion because it's 1.8.
Aye, so it's an East Luna 3.162. So
Kite or the K value up in the Kite or the 100.
yeah.
Just on the ever slew, you just say, just on 1 over square root
3.162.
Didn't I was 180 J squared?
Because Shaw started the calculator to do bomb just out of curiosity. Log of 10. So it's in just logger the calculator log is log of 10. Test the log button of the calculator. Yeah, it's in log of 10. If you are at the base of 10 or just log. Could it's 180 billion in it? Just out of curiosity, reason this. No. Just because 180 by 10 to the power of 9. Like it's in case you have brackets. So log 180 by 10 to the power of 9. Do you have reason this?
11.25.
So there's your order of magnitude is 11. 10 to the power of 11. Do you get to write them red? So, first is 4 million. Because log of 10 to 4 million. Because log that 4 million or the calculator very should digit order magnitude. So do I fossil order magnitude faster? Just because we said log of 10. Eh? 6, so your order magnitude is 7. No, 7, 10 to the power of 7, 9, to me carrot, yeah. Do you get you?
Well, there's only versus Pisa that you 1.8 multiplied like kid Irish and
So not 10 to the power of 2.
8 letters 18 by 10 to the power of 1.
Yeah, log is log.
That's 1.8 by 10 to the power of 2. Kais to the hinge day. But it is that not log of 10 is under the calculator an order of magnitude. Did. Hence the net worth is 1 over square root 2. Square root 10.
0.3.
Huh?
0.3.
Quote in.
No, just
Oh, 0.3 is 3 by 10 to the power of minus 1. So the order of magnitude is minus 1. So you can do. Well, 0.3 is skeishan at the heating exchange. But again, you get natural log cell, that's 0.3. Oh, heek. The order of magnitude of minus 1. Right, when we do alright, listen, jiggling holiday. Well, on your right order of magnitude. No?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't really matter, no. Ask what I take for like my H&Es at least test go it's just log of 10 .bj ton and then just she's which is okay. Would you okay, Lasha? Pretty much is this in the frigid on chapter show anyway, then you beat to get your back share. Right, which really in Eskidine head section, tomorrow I can just come out to golf because you must free chop. Right. Now, we're short chance to give, well, before we're short chance to give for you junior cert is household finance. Okay, so cost la paye, standard rate, higher rate, and so on. Okay, right, so okay, now we'll just go in the part. We'll just come in what you got. Right, couple of rotten chop. Okay, right, well, I had a new kilo currency transactions. Either to made not to. Right, it's one or the other. Now the gara quick euro gaji sterling. But the made in the range, made and vice versa. Mata to file ni slew. For test could cost la mata kg euro gach and half 80 gaji sterling. Just has on us then you be 88. Right? 87, 88 pound, right? So it's a conversion rate obviously when you ahan euro you to need 0.88 sterling. So reached what a kg euro got made it to for 0.88 you to 88 sterling. Vice versa, what a kg sterling no good fade euro to the goal shen run into. And you get more, you to kg rodnyat euro. So you can share. So shouldn't just currency conversion. So just either to the made net at the rental and conversion again. Well, I had in your right percentages. Right? So negation rates and household charges, value added tax, that means that they just got 13.5% or 100. I guess domestic bills and charges to VAT la dealer 100, 21, Carby 20, to 21% on to 23% on, but the juggy cash needs are shan, Tesagol and the Gajin value added tax. Okay, right. Negation and chain costing of work. Ever quick, and then to 30.5, so just catch the bun here are percentages. So okay, listen. I wish you get a like 30.5 just like for tax, I guess. Value added tax, I guess, Ruddy.
Well, chance might get just like this.
Karma Shaha. La quick bliana. The change financial maths kishta hanigi niece. Not a Chinese or a chapter financial maths. Niaki mashi kishta riao la fadal la chart niece or income tax, na paye, na salary, na rudabi. Niaki ma kishta be chart niece. We actually paper 2021 nihanik kishta be niece haripi or financial mathematics. To just nial be case in the maths paper. Nial do lack in financial maths. I guess new horn should the shahe. Like we blame you when you chain, high should the shaha igjeru algebra case just for the sake of financial cash to be on. Like you know, she can't be net to her that. It was a part E that cash more for the I guess you know bunch of bigger let's A B C D revision. So like new horn should the shahe robani. Shinty skepnums the free chop bread gas. Right, what's the funny upper ball? Funny the March Against Stager, yes.
Yeah.